much of the damage from Superstorm Sandy, as well as the damage from the recent super typhoon Haiyan, was because of the storm surge. And there is no doubt but that the storm surge was worse because of sea level rise, which is attributable directly to climate change. So the impact of the storm was much worse because of climate change creating more sea level rise.
Yeah, I think we know, again, that we're changing some of the large-scale conditions that influence the genesis and the development of typhoons and hurricanes. We know what some of those large-scale conditions are. The warmth of the ocean surface and the mixed layer immediately below the surface, the amount of moisture in the atmosphere, the so-called wind shear at different levels in the atmosphere. All of these and other things can have some significant influence on the development of hurricanes and typhoons. And our best understanding is that at least two of these, ocean surface temperatures and the amount of moisture in the atmosphere, are being changed by human-caused changes in greenhouse gases. And they're being changed in a way that would tend to generate more intense hurricanes and typhoons. There's fairly good modeling evidence and theoretical evidence suggesting that in response to continued human-caused warming and moistening of the atmosphere, we should expect to see some intensification of hurricanes and typhoons. The jury is still out in terms of changes in the frequency of these events.
If I may, I think a lot of people have difficulty wrapping their minds around some of the language that scientists use to describe events like this. When a baseball player starts taking steroids, there's a much greater chance that he's going to be hitting lots of home runs and some big home runs. Now, that doesn't mean you can point to any particular home run and say, aha, that home run is because he is taking steroids. But the pattern of more and larger is attributable to his taking steroids. And I think by analogy, what we are seeing with some kinds of extreme weather is weather on steroids, weather on climate steroids.